Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoCardless Success Plus. Review my usage experience. GoCardless Success Plus Review My Usage Experience offers recurring payment processing and management solutions for businesses. Its main purpose is to streamline the collection of recurring payments, making it easier for businesses to manage subscriptions and invoices. The target audience is businesses of all sizes that rely on recurring revenue streams. Key features likely include automated payment processing, reconciliation tools, and potentially reporting and analytics dashboards. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. GoCardless positions itself as a reliable and secure way to handle recurring payments, emphasizing ease of integration and reduced risk of payment failures. They highlight features such as automated payment retries and comprehensive reporting. Pricing is transparent, with different plans catering to different business needs. While specific pricing isn't explicitly detailed on the site snippets I've seen, there's no mention of hidden fees or long-term contracts. The technology utilizes bank-level security protocols, promising a secure payment process. Availability is global, although specific country support might vary. Details are available on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoCardless Success Plus. Review my usage experience. Setting up my account was incredibly straightforward. The onboarding process was well guided, with clear instructions and helpful tips. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard presented all the key information, upcoming payments, successful payments, failed payments, in a clear and easily digestible format. I especially appreciated the detailed reporting features, which allowed me to track my revenue streams effectively. I was able to quickly generate reports to analyze payment trends over different time periods. The system performed flawlessly during my testing period. All payments were processed smoothly and efficiently. I had a quick question about customizing invoice emails, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated payment retry system, which minimized the number of failed payments. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for email templates. It felt a little restrictive compared to other services I've used. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoCardless Success Plus. It streamlined my recurring payment process significantly, saving me both time and effort. That's my overview of GoCardless Success Plus. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.